We have a question here, and the question states that the dimension of the surface of a rectangular desk is 15 centimeter by 8 centimeter. The question now says, find the length of one of the diagonals of the surface of the desk. Now, this is the diagram representing the question. The length is 15 centimeter according to the question. Then we have the breadth as 8 centimeter. Now, this is 8 centimeter. This place also is 8 centimeter. And then here, from here to this place, is 15 centimeter. I want to name this. This is a point here. I call it A. This another point here. I call it B. This another point here. I call it C. And this another point here. I call it D. Now, AB is 15. CB is 8. Now, you are asked to find the length of one of the diagonals. What do we call diagonal? This AC is called diagonal. Now, if I should draw another line here from D to B, that also is diagonal. Then the question says we should find the length of one of the diagonals. Either this AC or DB, the length will be the same. Now, don't forget that you can bring this one out and bring it to this place, and it will look like this. So you have brought this one out here, and then you are asked to find AC. This is a right angle triangle. This is angle 90, and this is certain angle here, angle theta. Now we are asked to find AC. Don't forget that AB is called the adjacent, and BC is what we call opposite, because it's opposite this angle, angle theta. And AC is referred to as hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, it says that AC square, this side square, the longest side square, is equal to the adjacent square, which is AB, plus opposite square, opposite to this angle. So for you to get AC, remember that this is AC square. So this will be AC is equal to square root of everything here. Now, for you to understand this, don't forget that if you say A square equal to 9, then to get your A, it will be square root of 9. So the same thing I've done here. This one square is equal to this. For me to get AC, it's now the square root of everything that is here. So just substitute and work it out. B is 15. BC is 8. 8 square. 15 square, that's 15 times 15. That is 225. 8 square, that's 8 times 8, 64. Now add the two together. You have 9, 8, 289. So you have square root of 289. Now, you don't need to continue to bother yourself too much here. This is an objective question. This is ending with 9. Now look at your options. What are the options that can end with 9? See 7. 7 times 7 is 49. But then 7 cannot be the answer. Now this is 7 also, 49. So you can, it's likely to be 17. So try to multiply 17 by 17 and see whether you will get 289. Because the meaning of square root of 289 is that what is that number that you multiply twice that will give you 289? And since this is an elementary class, not be allowed to use calculator. You may not even know how to use square root table. So that is why just multiply this number twice and see whether you will get 289. So let's do that. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 1, 1. This is 9, 8, 2. So this is 289. So which means our answer is equal to 17. So this is the correct option.